Hey there guys, it's Kiara from myleadgensecret affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our Clickbank case study. So here we go. Alright, today we're going to keep it real simple. I did not get a sale yesterday, so we're going to continue on like this. I'm a bit sick today, but I want to go and make this video real quick. So if I'm a little quiet, I'm sorry about that. My voice sounds a little different. Okay. So yeah, you want to go back. We're going to go with some paying social media jobs here. Go to the landing page here. And we're going to go on down to emails. Wait. No. No email. Can't remember if it was on 3 or 4. We'll go with 4 here. Order for tweet. So this is what we're gonna do with the title. Looking at the body, okay, you earn 40 per hour, $40 per tweet. Okay. So we're gonna get gonna log in here to myleadgensecret. Okay, we're gonna pick $40. Right. Then we're gonna pick like argument. Right. That'll do. I'll go, hey, name, great news, blah blah. Okay. Okay. Name. That's my name. Okay, let's change this. Just ran through our database and thoughts. So, okay. Perfect. A name. We just pick that. Whatever. as you oh, that don't make sense. I just thought about it. Sorry about that. There we go. Like that. And look like it made sense. Thing looks solid. Okay. So click here to apply now. Click here to apply now. So we gotta get 2 links. Alright, so we're gonna get the link here. Affiliate link. So if you don't trust yourself and typing in what you need, you type in your affiliate ID. Go to job landing page, and for 40 per tweet, and you type in your ID. Get it generated for you. Boom. Hit that link in right there. And you pick this link right here. Click link to apply now. Does it say it right there as well? Oh. I'm sorry guys, I'm feeling pretty rough today. Alright. Send the email. Good. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time they check emails. So if it's early in the morning, it's early in the morning. You know, they'll send it early in the morning. Anyway, let's preview it, make sure the link works. Link did not work. I messed up it. There's a typo. Alright, that's why you check, guys. Why you check. So the link doesn't work. I messed up it. I think I saw what I messed up. Changes. Do it again. Want to make sure people can use the link emails, or it does, you know, they won't be able to click through. You know, they go through that time. It had a space in the front. That's all it was. All right, so make sure you don't have any spaces or anything like that in your links, so it won't go through. I check both of them. Check one. Let's check both. Yeah, they both loaded up. End it. Boom. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you know what I'm gonna say. You got multiple accounts, you want to send the same email to them as well. So you just go up here, open it, mailing system, log out of this account, log in your other account here, second account. Pretty much it do the same thing, right? Paste, delete. Copy. to change this. This is the second account. Don't preview and make sure the link works. Look like it works. It's fine. I thought it would be. Just double check just in case. Everything looks good. Okay. Send the email. So we're gonna send that email. Go to the next email here. I'm so sorry, man. I feel like I barely. It feels sluggish. Keep on going though, cause ain't rest when you're trying to make some money, right? Make sure that. So, right. This. Get done. Peace. Third account. This is 3. And that's it. Let's make sure the link works. Boom. Boom. They both work. Guys. And then you send the email. Alright guys, it's as simple as that. Just spend 5 minutes every morning doing that. You'll make money. That's what we're trying to do. Anyway, you might want more accounts than 3 to really start taking off with money. But we're just doing 3 just to see what happens. And plus, I ain't been focused on it. That's my only real issue. I haven't really stopped down and really tunnel vision onto it. So I know that's what's affecting my income right now. So we're gonna try to stay on Clickbank, focus on just Clickbank for a while. Unless you guys don't like it, then I'll switch and do something else. Anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.